Welcome, future real estate investors. If you've ever considered diving into the exciting world of real estate investing, you're in the right place. The real estate market offers a plethora of opportunities for beginners, and with the right guidance, you can embark on a path to success. In today's video, we're going to delve into 5 essential tips for real estate investing that will help you get started on the right foot and pave your way to a profitable journey in the vibrant city of Salt Lake. Number 1. Decide on what type of property. Your journey begins with the very first tip. Decide on what type of property aligns with your goals. Do you envision yourself in commercial real estate, flipping residential houses, or managing an apartment building? Each of these options comes with different costs and unique challenges, so choose wisely. Number 2. Invest in something with room for improvement. To ensure your investment flourishes, pick a property with room to grow. If it's perfect as is, you're dependent on external factors like the neighborhood to increase its value. Seek properties with untapped potential, where small improvements can lead to significant financial gains. Number 3. Ask others for advice on real estate investing. Connect with experienced real estate investors who can offer valuable insights. Their wisdom can save you precious time and money. Remember, preparation is key. Have a clear goal and budget ready for these discussions to show your commitment. Number 4. Decide what your goals for the investment are. Ask yourself how many properties you'd like to invest in, your yearly financial goals, and how each property contributes to your portfolio. Once you have these goals in mind, a roadmap to success can be developed. And remember, we specialize in helping individuals build wealth through real estate. Number 5. Protect yourself. Whether you have tenants or not, safeguard your investment with the proper paperwork. Consult legal professionals for guidance. Many investors opt for an LLC to house their properties and minimize risk. Ensuring you're protected is an integral part of the process. In conclusion, you're now armed with these invaluable tips on real estate investing. It's time to take the plunge and start your journey to financial success. Begin your real estate investment adventure today, and you'll be on your way to making money through your investments sooner than you think. Start your real estate investment journey today and make your money work for you. Contact us at Wolfnest, your partners in real estate success.